Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Chevy Equinox and I will show you how to adjust the date and the time. This video will apply to Chevy Equinoxes made from 2011 all the way up to 2017. Now, changing the date and time is quite easy. First you have to access the vehicle menu. You can do that by pressing onto the config button. And now you want to scroll down under the time and date. You can do that by turning this knob left or right. And to make a selection, just want to press this knob in. This is the OK button. And now here you can set the time, set the date and the time format. Now to set the time, again you want to press it in and make your selection, right? AM, PM, okay. Once you're done, press back. Same thing for the date, press the button in and now you can set your date. And this is to select 12-hour format or 24-hour format. And this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.